Hey guys, welcome to Tactor's tutorial. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to order from Pandabuy. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to start by finding the product you want to buy on Pandabuy. So we're gonna go ahead and try to search and here something like Christmas gift so that we could go ahead and try to locate some item. So you can use fashion reps or other sources to locate the item that you want. And if the product has a Pandabuy link, you could just simply click it to access the item on Pandabuy. So you'll just have to click onto the specific product that you want to buy. And then right after, you should get redirected onto a preview for this. So you'll see the detail in here, the different classification, the quantity. You could also leave a message in here when you have a special requirements regarding this order purchasing. So once you have agreed in here onto the terms and service terms in here, you'll just have to click onto buy now, or if you want to do that later, you have the add to cart option. So you'll just have to click onto buy now for now. And then right after, you're gonna go ahead and confirm the order. So there are friendly tips in here. So just gonna go ahead and follow the steps in here, the seller. And then right after, for the Pandabuy warehouse, we're gonna go ahead and click onto the destination in here. So these will be the destination country so that Pandabuy agents will know whether the product can be sent there before purchasing for you. So we'll just have to click onto the drop down to choose onto the different available options in here. So for example, USA, and then right after, we're just gonna confirm the product information. So you see the product details in here, the remark, the unit price, the quantity, value added services, and the total amount. And then once you're done, you'll just have to click onto I have agreed, and then you're gonna go ahead and submit order. Now the next step is checking out. So it has been submitted and you'll need to pay before this one or it will be cancelled. So as you can see, you could see the balance also in here, and you could do a top up if you want to go ahead and pay it already. So you have different payment options here also. And then once you're done, you could just confirm in here using the confirm payment and the order will be added. So you should be able to receive update on its status. So just sit back and wait for your package to arrive. And that's it. You've successfully ordered from Pandabuy. And if you think this tutorial was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.